Hello, dear colleagues. My name is Genaro Saavedra, and I would like to welcome all of you to this special edition of the Spanish and Portuguese Advanced Optical Microscopy meeting on behalf of the local organizing and the scientific committees. The organization of such a meeting with the pandemic particular boundary conditions posed a challenge from the very beginning. Our first idea was trying to keep the original in-person architecture. Even we found a very nice venue in Valencia downtown, and we started planning some interesting visits to local labs and companies. And also we had a draft for an amusing social program, including excursions to give you a flavor of this charming city of Valencia. However, life is life, and we had to change our minds and move to the online format in order to commit with the social distance measures adopted to fight COVID-19 pandemic. However, as a secondary effect, this decision gave us the opportunity for designing a more ambitious program without compromising the small budget of the meeting. The remote participation facilitated the incorporation of excellent experts from around the world as invited or keynote speakers. Many thanks to all of them to accommodate their agendas to the schedule of SPAOM 2020. We have also been able to persuade some colleagues to build online workshops on short notice, some of them with in vivo streaming from the labs. We are very grateful for the commitment with these SPAOM distinctive activities under these tough conditions. Even with shorter notice, we have also moved the community to participate by sending contributions, oral communications and posters for completing a very exciting and complete program. Thank you all, dear colleagues. Also, we have attracted the interest of companies in participating in virtual exhibitions, and we really appreciate their support. And last but not least, we are really impressed by the large number of registered participants, more than 600. This is in fact the first step to the eventual success of this meeting, to be able to draw the attention of so many people working in optical microscopy, even under hostile circumstances. Hope we all will enjoy a successful meeting. Two societies are the responsible for the continuity and excellence of SPAOM meeting series. Let me first introduce Maria Calvo as a representative of the Spanish Network of Advanced Optical Microscopy.
Hello to everybody. On behalf of the Spanish Network for Advanced Optical Microscopy, we welcome you to the virtual Spanish and Portuguese Advanced Optical Microscopy meeting. I would like to mention that despite the great difficulties that are affecting all of us this year, the organizers have managed to create an exciting meeting, taking advantage of the online tools. So I would like to start thanking them for all their effort. Let me also talk about the SPAOM meetings. SPAOM meetings are a joint initiative between the Spanish and Portuguese networks that aim to be highly collaborative. So one example of this that you will see these days, and also one of its particular features, are the community workshops that join experts building a workshop around a topic in a practical and sometimes in an unusual way, you will see. This year as well, we will have the unique opportunity to see some live demonstration of instruments in their own lab. My main message here is to thank all of those who have made possible this meeting. First, the invaluable contribution of the speakers, sharing their work and time with us, the companies and sponsors for providing always support, the scientific committee, the local organizers and Valencia University for hosting and organizing it, our Portuguese partners for their cooperation, and all of you for your interest and participation. I hope and I wish you enjoy this meeting.
Okay, thanks, Maria. Next, I have the pleasure to introduce Paula Sampaio, as a representative of the Portuguese platform of bioimage.
Hello, good morning. I would like to thank you to all the organization of this amazing meeting. In this situation, very complicated that it was, but from the program and all the organization, it's really amazing, and me and all the PPBI and Portuguese community only have to thank the organizers, with Maria and Julien, that are leading this process. And I only can wish all the best for the meeting, and let's start.
Thank you very much, Paula. Okay, so finally, it's also my pleasure to introduce Julien Colombelli, who will be in charge jointly with Maria Calvo to chair, will be in charge of chairing the first session of the meeting. So let's go. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Genaro. So I join everyone to basically say it was very exciting to organize this meeting. And I just want to pass on two very brief messages. First, thanks to the sponsors who have actually made this meeting possible, and also possible that we wouldn't do it on Skype, so we have a bit more means to organize it properly. And the second message is that this meeting is also supported by a Spanish project of Network of Excellence called Bioimaging Spain. And if you want to know more about this, this will be somehow introduced by Timo Timmerman during the workshop 2 in the afternoon at 5 o'clock. So it's my pleasure to start the first session about advanced bioimaging in cell biology. So our first speaker is Xavier Trepat. So Xavier Trepat is a IQA professor at the IBEC, the Institute of Bioengineering Catalonia. He's a physicist and engineer. He obtained his PhD at the medical school at the University of Barcelona, and then after a postdoc at the Harvard University, he basically came back to Barcelona, and he's a professor since 2011. He's been doing amazing research at the interface between physics and biology, studying cytoskeletal mechanics, cell migration, cancer, 2D, 3D, etc. So we're very much looking forward to your talk, Xavi. Thank you.